Welcome to today's review on the Lancelot M1630 Pro DTF printer bundle. This printer is simply brilliant, combining professional-grade speed, stunning print clarity, and smart features that make your printing workflow smooth and worry-free. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in description below to get this printer at the best price in the market. The Lancelot M1630 Pro is designed for entrepreneurs who value reliability, featuring smart holiday mode that automatically maintains ink flow during breaks, vacations, or storage, which means no more clogged nozzles or wasted ink. Setting it up is straightforward because it comes as an all-in-one production hub with an intelligent powder shaker, heater dryer, and mobile workstation. Just load, shake, print, and dry with military-grade precision. The pro-level Epson XP600 printheads allow you to print at speeds up to twice as fast as standard DTG or other DTF printers, producing vibrant, long-lasting colors at 720 by 1440 dpi photo clarity, whether you're working on cotton, polyester, hats, bags, or other materials. One of the biggest advantages of DTF printing over DTG is that there's no pre-treatment needed, so you save at least 30% setup time and gain the flexibility to print on leather, nylon, and blends, giving you creative freedom beyond traditional cotton t-shirts. The bundle also includes a plug-and-play DTF laptop with preloaded software and instant setup, meaning you can start printing and earning within hours, not weeks. And you always have access to 24/7 expert support in case any questions arise. On the downside, the printer does weigh 231 pounds, so you'll need a dedicated space to house it comfortably, and the initial investment might feel steep for beginners, but the speed, efficiency, and quality it delivers more than justify the cost over time, especially if you plan to scale your business. In terms of practical use, it's incredibly user-friendly. Once powered on, the automated maintenance keeps ink flowing perfectly. The powder shaker ensures flawless transfers, and the integrated heater dryer locks in colors with professional-grade consistency. This means your customers get vibrant, durable prints every single time, even on dark fabrics that are typically challenging for other printers. The compact mobile workstation ensures you can move your production setup wherever it's needed, and the plug-and-play laptop with Windows compatibility makes it easy to control everything from a single interface. It's also worth noting that the printer handles large orders efficiently, making it ideal for startups that anticipate growing demand or small businesses that need a dependable, consistent output. Whether you're printing t-shirts, bags, hats, or experimenting with leather and nylon, this printer allows you to explore creative opportunities that other machines simply cannot handle. The attention to detail in design, from the powder shaker to the smart maintenance, highlights Lancelot's commitment to making your printing process seamless and enjoyable. Overall, the Lancelot M1630 Pro DTF printer bundle strikes the perfect balance between professional-grade features and user-friendly operation, combining speed, clarity, and reliability in a way that's rare in this market segment. If you're serious about starting or scaling a custom t-shirt business, this machine will save you time, improve your output quality, and give you the versatility to work on various materials without frustration. Don't miss out on the opportunity to revolutionize your printing workflow. Check the link in the description below to get your Lancelot M1630 Pro DTF printer bundle at the best price today, and experience firsthand why so many small business owners are upgrading their production setup with this ultimate automatic t-shirt printing station.